All right, well, me and Kiddo here just got back from picking up our cabinets and the toys from the feature exhibit there at Cookstown. Quite a bit of stuff that cleared out of there. I didn't record up there or anything. There's still quite a few tractors up there, but Bennett. Of all things, don't grab that. Anyway, yeah, you unload the cabinets here. I've got a bit of a mail call video for you guys. Kind of a late mail call, but there's a couple things here I wanted to show you guys that I picked up last week. They're in the truck here, but I'm going to pull these cabinets out and may or may not make me and Bennett dinner here first, but we'll go from there, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so I'm a little bit mixed up in my videos right now because the Wednesday night all this stuff showed up. Thankfully, it all came on Wednesday night. And Wednesday night, I went to the fairground to set up the feature display with OBT. So some of the stuff is familiar, guys, but you've already seen it in other videos. Somebody had a good nap in the truck, apparently. First and foremost, there was a WD-45 brochure. After our show, I gave that brochure to OBT. So, next on our mail list here, I picked up an Alice Chalmers WD-45. This is the brand new Prestige 2024 edition. I picked this up from Ritchie Farm toys. I actually ordered last Thursday and it came in on Wednesday. So my kind of running joke all weekend long is that this is a virginal toy, meaning it came out of the shipping box right to my truck to the feature display, and it hasn't even been on my shelf yet, and it will go on there tonight. Lastly, if you guys saw the carburetor video I did in the 1828, I had a fuel leak after I put it back together, and that was to a bad gasket, a bad bowl gasket. So I made another order down to Sandhill Carb and Mag out of Wengie, Minnesota, and he carries the gasket sets. Yeah, it's missing the bowl gasket because that's what I needed. Carries the gasket sets for those inside carburetors, so I ordered up one of those, and it came in on Wednesday. So I slapped the carb back together in 1828, had this ready to go, and I had the WD-45 brochure all set to go up for the feature display. Glad that everything showed up on time. This is basically a short and sweet mail call video for you guys tonight, and I will see you guys on the next one.